Are you passionate about a certain product or service? Do you want to make money promoting it? If yes, then affiliate marketing could be the right option for you. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. You can do this by sharing a unique link or code, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. To get started with affiliate marketing, you can sign up for an affiliate program of a company or brand that aligns with your interests. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Once you sign up, you'll get a unique link or code that you can share with your audience. You can promote the product or service through your blog, social media, or even email marketing. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to build trust with your audience. This means that you should only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Also, it's important to disclose your affiliate links to your audience to maintain transparency. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online, but it requires patience and hard work. You need to consistently create valuable content, build your audience, and engage with them to maximize your earnings. So, if you're passionate about a certain product or service, consider affiliate marketing as a way to make money online. Sign up for an affiliate program, promote the product or service to your audience, and start earning commissions.